Lab code is 8383, Grace College of Engineering, Tuticorin. Lab name is Object Oriented Programming Lab. The lab exercise, 8th exercise is program for displaying file information. So, procedure we will, for to getting the file informations, we are using more methods: get name, get path, get parent. These are all the methods, okay, or functions or operations. All are same. Open bracket, close bracket, exist, can read, can write, is file, is directory. These are all the methods. These are the methods present inside the file class. Okay, this file class is present inside the java.io.package. Java.io.package. Here we are using the asterisk. Asterisk represent all the classes present inside the java.io packages or imported to our applications program. See here, java.io.file.getName. Okay, so here java.io is the package, file is the class, and getName is the method which is present inside the class file. So like getName, we will go to use many methods in our application program, in our 8th application program. So like file name, here we are using the methods. GetName is the method which is present inside the class file. File class present inside the java.io package. So get name, get path, f1. F1 is the object. By using this object, we are calling the method get name. Okay. So here we are creating the f1 object. See, file is the class, file is the class, f1 is the object. By using the keyword new, here we will go to allocate the memory for the object f1, new file, file name. Okay. Next we are importing the java.util packages to our application program. Here our class name is file demo. Main method is present inside the class file demo. So our file name will be file demo.java. Okay. String is the data type. In this data type we are accessing the file name variable. Scanner is the class, S is the object. By using this statement we are getting the input from the console command line prompt. The file name, by using S is the object. Next line method, by using the next line method we are getting the new file name. Get path. Next say by using the system.out.println we will go to print the statement parent within the double quotation, whatever we are having, that the statement will be displayed on our output screen. So here we are having parent within the double quotation. It will be displayed on our output screen. Okay. Next f1.getParent of. So getParent is the method which it is present inside the class file. These are all the methods or operations we are doing by using the file class. Okay. So in this 8th exercise we are doing many file operations, whether the file exists or not, whether it is a file or not, whether the file can be read or cannot be read. So these are all the operations we are doing in file. Okay, the write operation is permitted or not for the particular file, whether it is a file or directory. Okay, so this is file. By using is file method, here we are using many method. Is directory, by using is directory, keep in your mind is file and is directory. These are all the methods present inside the class, built-in class. Okay, Java built-in class file. This Java built-in file class is present inside the java.io package. So is file is the method is used to whether that is a file or not. Used to check whether the file it is a file or not. Next is directory. Is directory is a method or functions or operation. It is used to whether check whether the particular file or input file is directory or not. Okay. So last modified functions is used to check whether the file was modified at the last time or not. So next we are using the length. Okay, length and delete. We are deleting the particular file. So I writing Java program should be written in Notepad or any Wattpad. I already write this application program in the Notepad and saved. So this application program name is file demo. Okay, I am opening the application program. I am writing in the notepad. I write this is the Java class file. So Java class file first time it will not be present in our system. After compiling and running our application program only, this class file will be generated automatically. Okay, so initially file demo Java program, where it is file demo Java program file demo. I have written our application program file demo Java in notepad, and I am saving this file name as a file demo .java. Next I am changing the extension .txt to all files. Then only it will supported to our .java extension file. I am saving this application program. Next we have to open the command prompt. Here we have to set the path using the keyword set path is equal to where our Java software is installed in our PC. That is the path we have to select. In this laptop, the path of the Java software installation is OSC directory, next to program files folder, then Java folder, then JDK folder, then bin folder. Still we have to select and right click. I am right clicking the mouse. So we are having these options. Here I am selecting the copy, and here I am pasting this path. By clicking the mouse, it will paste automatically. Okay. Next I am entering the button. Next we have to set the path of our application program. So in this PC our application programs are present inside the C directory. Here the folder name is users, then folder name is Dell, then folder name is document. Here our file demo applications program is available. Okay. So this path we have to set in the command prompt. Here already the path present to Dell. From Dell to we have to move documents. So for that I am giving the command cd, command directory space documents. So here we have to compile our Java program, Java file demo dot Java. This is the syntax for compiling our application program. If any errors available means it will show like this error. Okay. So in this file many errors available. I am not clearing the errors. So it will display like this. Error in 27th Java 27th line, some errors available, semicolon expected, it's need. So more errors is there in our application program. Okay. So we have to clear the application errors by like this. So this statement is extra statement. Grace College of Engineering. So again I am compiling our application program. See now error cleared. For single error it is showing like this. 4 errors it is showing. Okay. So semicolon and semicolon expected, Grace College of Engineering are available like that it is showing. So for single error it is showing like this. You have to clear the errors. Okay. In the 27th you have to search the error nearing by the line 27th, all around the 27th you have to search. Next we will go to run our application program by using the command Java file demo. So it is asking the file name. If I giving some other file means, see I am giving MER file name. This file it's not present in this system. Okay, MER is it's a not file. This file does not exist in this PC. So it is telling the error length of file 0, file deleted. So file does not exist. Like this it is giving the message. Okay. So again I am running our application program by pressing the top arrow key on our keyboard. I am pressing to get the running syntax again. Okay, no need to type the running syntax again and again. We can use the top arrow and bottom arrow to get the compiling and the running syntax automatically. Now I will go to enter the file name. This file name we will give. Okay, file demo.java. File demo.java. I am giving the file demo.java file. So its information is name of the file is file demo. So path of the file is file demo. It is parent. It don't have parent. The file exists. The file can be read. The write operation is permitted because it is in writing in a notepad. So write operation is permitted. It is not a directory. So like that file informations we are getting. Okay, for length of the file is 1002x6. A file deleted, it may be deleted. Okay, it may be deleted. We can delete the file. So like this informations we can get. This is our output. Thank you, students.